I do this. Good morning. So, to go and grab my clock. Forgot to bring it up, guys. Sorry about that. Anywho, it is New York session. Almost, actually. We are CST time zone. So it's 8:28 here. At 8:30 here, market goes crazy. So the New York session is starting to open up. We're not quite there yet. We're prepping. Well, I've already been trading, but I'm just waiting. I wanted to get on here and show you guys more of how I trade during the opening bell. Now, what I can do is go ahead and start doing more prep work, which in this case I would do a trend line, right? I love to use my trend lines. And we will see what happens in my bottom window. And I'm just talking, trying to buy time here. In my bottom window down here, you can see that things have changed a little bit. All it is basically me removing some of the indicators that's part of the original TuPar 3.0 strategy. Just removing some of the indicators, but I'm picking and choosing. It's not like I'm putting anything new in there. The only thing that I did drop in there new at one point was stochastic, and that's something that I've used in the past. So I like to use that here and there. But right now, all I have down there is my RSI 14, 10 MA, an ATR set to 14, and I think it's another. Oh yeah, my 200 MA. So everything right now is sitting below my 20. Oh, opening bell. All right, guys. So we let the market do its thing. We'll let it start off doing its thing. I usually work from the 15-minute time frame or 30, considering that we are opening bell at the halfway mark of the hour. So y'all see how we getting that rejection here? All right. We're going to see what's going to happen. We got our big MAs right here. This is on the 1-minute time frame. Yes, price can continue down. And where would it go? Let's see. It may stop there because when I look at my 5-minute time frame, right, I'm looking at market structure, low, high, low, high. Now we're waiting on our low, right, from this zone here. And then once I get some sort of a bullish candle pattern, maybe I'll go. But right now, I'll wait, right, because we want to wait on the rules to tell us to go. Everything in the bottom window is for confluence. I don't necessarily use it by itself all the time. There are times when I do. But most of the time I just use it for confluence purposes. Okay. So if I do feel like I'm going to go for a buy eventually, right? I better start marking up horizontal lines. Because we're waiting, right? 5-minute increments, top of the hour type jab. Remember we talked about that? Fresh parabolic SARs up here, 5-minute time frame to the top. However, I see an opportunity, guys. I see an opportunity to draw another trend line. Let's see. I'm not saying price gonna come all the way down here, but it's a possibility. You feel me? And if that's what it chooses, we want to be ready and prepared for that, because price could definitely move in this zone before it drops to maybe here and not down here. You know? Okay. But we're prepared. We're prepared if we do get a pullback for at least 4 horizontal lines here. Okay, so now we wait We're waiting for price to give us new, fresh parabolic SARs. We got one. We got the red one. But we'd like to see merged, okay? Because my red and my green is still pointing down. Red and green MA. However, if I hit this green, oh, that's a green one. I'm going. That's a huge lot. Didn't mean to do that. 30335, but we're gonna run with it. 30335, 305. We are gonna run with it. That's what I was trying to say. Oh no. 30335. Jesus Christ, don't take me out. That lot size is entirely too big. Still a safe zone. However, price didn't close above the trend line. There you go. And that was definitely meant to be a 5. A lot size of a 5, not a 15. But I'm trading on a different account. Look at that, guys. I'm trading on a different account right now that the contract size is different. So it requires me to have a bigger lot size to compensate for the type of lot size and the type of indice that it is, or instrument it is, like a CFD or something like that. But we're not worried. We're still looking at roughly a little over 3%. So this is what I'm gonna do. 301.57. You guys might see the loss on camera, and that's okay. It happens, right? I want to show you. If it does happen, we're prepared for that. So what did I do? I'm looking at my parabolic SARs here, my blue one to be exact. The red and the green, cool. Brown, heck nah. Can't rely on the brown. But we're gonna rock with our blue or green and red. The fact that we got them together down there makes me feel decent, but that is where I put my stop loss. At this type of size of account, it's okay, right? The drawdown that I'm experiencing is still, I'm sure, around 3% or less. So now we wait. If it comes and it busts through any of these, if it pulls back before it even comes down here, I'm closing the account. If it busts through those parabolic SARs, not closing the account, closing the trade. Otherwise, now I wait to get in profit. I'm okay with the DD that I'm experiencing, although this lot size, guys, is way too big for me. And it ain't about the size of the account. So don't focus on how big this account is. Don't focus on whether it's real, the demo. It don't matter. I'm here to show you guys how to trade. I'm using the TuPar 3.0 if you choose to use that. Regardless, the message is, regardless of the size of your account, make sure that your account can handle the lot sizes that you choose. Okay? Make sure that you know what your drawdown is going to look like for a certain amount of points if dealing with indices, or certain amount of pips if dealing with forex pairs. Okay? So right now, we're still in the safe zone. I feel comfortable. So I'm going to hold this trade, guys. Don't do like I did. Use the wrong lot size. Getting the trade prematurely. Not really premature, because I believe in my parabolic SARs. I believe in, I'm sitting in my big MA, so I know price is going to turn around. However, I wasn't really wanting to deal with all of that DD. I was cool with dealing with a little bit from the 5, a 5 lot size, which will probably would have been about 2,000 on drawdown at most, 2,500 on drawdown, but not 7K. Okay, it is what it is. But anywho, we're gonna go ahead and get that profit real quick since we did have the 5. Okay, if we're going over that rejection level, if it closes up there, we'll see what it do. But right now, what I'm gonna do is look at my other time frame, and I'm not gonna go in for any buys right now. Why am I not gonna go in for any buys? On my 5-minute time frame, I have my red and my green parabolic SAR, sitting up there merged together. So I'm definitely not going in for any buys. Price may sit here and consolidate for a little bit, and then it may push back down here. That's just my theory. However, we're not quite there. So that's the thing with utilizing trend lines. It doesn't mean that, oh my God, on the 1 minute time frame, I don't trust my trend line enough to think that just because price closed outside of this trend line, that it's going to continue to go up forever. Now it could, but I wasn't going to deal with that. Why? Not until I get a signal. If I know that I got parabolic SARs above price on my 5 minute time frame, I'm not going in for a buy. And if I would have, it would have been short-lived from level to level, okay? But I'm not going to push it if price didn't come up there and tap those parabolic SARs and give me new parabolic SARs. Now, it did, and we got one right here, but I need to check the higher time frame and see what we got going on. Okay, I do believe price is going to come up here and tap that. Will it keep going up? Don't know. Probably come down, but we're going to wait it out. We're going to wait it out because this will be a what? Double top. No need to rush. No need to kill yourself with these trades. Take your time. Do what makes sense. We may take off and go to the moon right here. And if we're going to do that, I need to be prepared for that. Do I know where I'm going? So this is the 4 each time frame. I'm going to set myself up with a horizontal line here at my next rejection level, okay? So tapping that. Where did I just place that? Based off of this rejection here, okay? Now, look at that, guys. Am I going to go for a sell? We'll see. Okay, I'm looking everywhere. I'm looking for signs to get in. At this point, is that a see? You see how that do me? And then I get caught up now. I get caught up because 303.37. I just closed that. Oh, we might as well come on down to the trend line. Come on down to the trend line. Or come here. So I'm going to set an extra line here. Orange. Based off of this rejection here. No, I don't have parabolic SARs to the top. I don't. But I'm so used to this strategy. I know what's up. 303, 303.07. And I'm just going to do a couple of trades. I'm going to let you guys go. Okay, we'll take that. We'll take that. Oh, look at it coming down to the trend line. Y'all see that? Come and respect that trend line. Because at the end of the day, look at my big MAs. What they doing? Okay, I feel comfortable. 5 minute time frame. They're kind of flat. So price could definitely come all the way down here and want to tap this trend line eventually. But do we have enough time for that? I don't. I got to get going this morning, but I definitely wanted to show you guys kind of what I look for and how I trade New York session. I've been doing this for the past 3 days now, and it's been pretty good. I've been having people hit me up through Telegram, telling me, inboxing me, letting me know that it's been beneficial to them. So as much as I can help, I try. But do me a favor, guys. Do me a favor. If you really, really like this, don't tell me on Telegram. Tell me here on this channel right here. Comment, like, and I'm pretty sure you're already subscribed. But for the folks that are new, go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I go and post my live tradings again. All right. So I'll do one last trade. One last trade. So again, I said that this is the 1 minute time frame, so it may not honor my trend line. and bounce off of it and go higher. It may break through it and come down. Okay? And why do I say that? That is super, super engulfing. Okay? Super engulfing. At the end of the day, I still have a parabolic SARS on the 5-minute time frame above me. So we already broke past the trend line that I set on a 1-minute time frame. Now watch it pop through my blue parabolic SAR. If it popped through that blue parabolic SAR, and I'm looking at the time, I'm really waiting on that 15-minute increment. So I'm trying to see where price closes, because I feel comfortable that we're bearish right now. Bearish. Because at the end of the day, we still got the low, high, and we're on another low. All right. We're underneath it. We got our parabolic SAR there. Now, it definitely can pull back right now, but give me a little bit of profit. 301.93, 301.93, 193. Give me that before we pull back. Okay? Because we already went past the trend line there. So, give me some profits. 301.93. Okay? As long as it's over 200. I'll take that. So that was that trade, that last trade that I told you guys about. Right now, it's going to play hooky probably for a while, bouncing up and down, acting like it doesn't know where it wants to go, but we know where it's going to potentially go. Maybe not down here, but it, may bounce around enough to tap this trend line at some point. And then it may proceed up if that's what it's going to do. But at that point, I would have to give it another analysis. So for now, I'm good with this. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, guys. Get involved with me. Ask questions here, not through the Telegram. Ask them here so that other people on the channel can see, benefit, and learn from what your questions are and the answers I provide here. Again, if you need me on Telegram, it's in the description. That is the way to get in touch with me. Until next time, guys, one love, much love, 2 out.